Hi guys, it's Christina Marie here. Today I'm going to be unboxing the seasonal Walmart beauty box. I have taken it out of the plastic wrap, haven't taken a peek inside it yet. Walmart does send these beauty boxes out quarterly. It's free. All you have to do is pay the $5 for shipping and handling, and that's it. So let's take a look and see what's inside this box. So the first thing that I see is a little card here that talks about how if you want to review the box, you do or enter to win a $100 gift card. And then there are a couple of pamphlets that talk a little bit more in depth about the items inside each box. So the first thing that I see is this Curel Hydratherapy Wet Skin Moisturizer. It says apply daily and experience healthy skin you can only imagine. It's water activated moisture, works deep into the skin surface. It helps repair moisture barrier with ceramide, don't know if I said that right, complex. Immediately absorbs and completely greaseless. It's 2 fluid ounces, so that's a pretty good size. Hands are shaky. For this moisturizer. Next we have this Garnier SkinActive Soothing 3-in-1 Day-Night Mask. It's 96% naturally derived ingredients. It is made with rose water, which is really good for your skin. It is made without mineral oils, parabens, silicones, and dyes. And here's what this looks like. Next, we also have a one-time use of the new Cetaphil Hydrating Eye Cream. Who doesn't like a good eye cream? I know, for me, I'm 45 years old. I need all the help I can get. And this is made with hyaluronic acid. It deeply hydrates for 24 hours, brightens and smooths. Next is the Olay Daily Facials. It's a daily highlighting cleaner. It has grapeseed extract, 5-in-1 cleansing power of a makeup remover, scrub, toner, mask, and cleanser. And there's one dry cloth in there. If I can do all that, that's really good. I can't wait to try that out. We also have from Garnier Fructis Damage Repairing Treat 1-minute hair mask with papaya extract. And I always use a hair mask about twice a week, so I'm looking forward to trying that one out the next time I use my hair mask, which will be here in a couple days. And then I'm also going to be doing a masking kind of review video, and so I'm going to use this one in it. It is the Unicorn Glow Hologram Mask. It detox and brightens. It says Soar Unicorn Glow Hydrating Mask, black charcoal. Here's what this looks like. That'll be fun. And then it also comes with a makeup bag. Has the Walmart symbol here on this side, and on this side it has raindrops. If you like this button, make sure to hit that like button and also be a subscriber. It would really mean a lot to me. Take care, guys. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you next time.